now going to look at what could be termed special cases, because we have a problem here, because we don't have a power of x here, we can't really differentiate. So you have to use your mathematical knowledge to realise that x, square root of x, can also be written as x to the power a half. So off we go when I do dy dx, and I differentiate. I'm just going to look at the x to the power half to begin with. So that's a half x, and then take 1 from the power, gives me negative a half, and then that's all multiplied by 3. So here I have 3 times a half is 3 over 2, and x to the negative a half. Tidying that up, I mean, that answer is fine, but if you're going to be a bit more elegant, I would put that as 3 over 2 lots of root x. If you're not sure why the square root of x has gone to the bottom there, look at the laws of indices. And so, moving on to one that could be a little bit difficult again, y equals 2 over x cubed. Before you start to differentiate, if you've got anything on the bottom of the fraction, the denominator, change it so that it's in a format where it's not on the bottom. So x to the negative 3 is the same as 1 over x to the 3. So at that point, this becomes almost trivial for you. Differentiate x to the negative 3, that would be negative 3x. Now take 1 from negative 3 is negative 4. That's where the mistake comes in, people not being good with negatives. And we're multiplying that by 2. So that gives me negative 6 x to the negative 4, which could be written as minus 6 over x to the power 4. It's really important to know that x to the negative 4 is 1 over x to the 4. So practice those carefully. And here's 2 for you to try. Differentiate y equals 5 root x, and also differentiate y equals 5 over x squared. So those are your 2. Press pause. So 5 root x, did you first of all change the root x into x to the power half, and then your differentiation gives you half x to the negative a half multiplied by 5, which is 5 over 2 x to the negative a half, which is 5 over 2 root x, because don't forget, half is root. And the second one, y equals 5 over x squared, dy dx is 5, oops, idiot, Mr. Wegg, just change that. Make it into a format that you can work with it, so 5x to the negative 2. And then it becomes dy dx equals, just do the x to the negative 2 first, so that's minus 2x to the negative 3. We're timesing that by 5, gives me negative 10 x to the negative 3, tidying up negative 10 over x to the power 3. Hope you got those right.